This is Gadget Stop 321, and I'm going to do a writing sample for the 4 pens that I picked up recently from Jet Pens. I've got 3 mini pencils and a full-size drafting pencil. The first pencil I'm going to take a look at is the tiniest, and it is the Ohto Minimal. It's the one that you may have seen. It comes with a little card holder that you can put in a credit card slot, in your wallet or planner. And this is slightly larger than a toothpick. It comes in 4 colors. I have the orange here, a tight, tiny little clip, but really all you need it to do is to clip into this little thin plastic holder, and it holds it in there well. No eraser on this one, and it's so tiny, if you try to click it by holding it like this, it's kind of uncomfortable. So advancing the lead is kind of a two-handed deal. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit, and let's see, move my camera back. And writing is a little bit uncomfortable because it's hard to, I guess, you have to adjust your grip. The length of the pencil is just about right for me. I've got small hands though, so you'll have to take that into consideration. I guess I'm pinching the pencil between these 2 fingers, my thumb and middle finger, and then just kind of using this for balance. It's a little bit different than my normal grip. So this is the Ohto Minimal. And it uses 0.5 lead. I think it has HB lead included. And once you adjust your grip, it's not terribly uncomfortable, but you're not going to be using this for extended writing sessions. This is good for adding something to a shopping list or adding an entry to a planner, and that's what it's intended for. And next up, after using that tiny little pencil, next up is the Techo TS3, and it feels almost like a full-size pencil after using that little tiny Ohto. And let's see, this one, it's possible to click it one-handed. Let's see, so this is the It's also 0.5. All of the pencils I'm taking a look at today have a lead size of 0.5. After using that tiny pencil, this is fairly comfortable. Kind of like it. Next, a little bit larger than that, is the Platinum Mini Pencil. And it is a slightly larger diameter than the Techo. Very easy to advance the lead one-handed. We're getting more comfortable as we go up the list here. That's nice. Now, this one does have a tiny little eraser. The Platinum has an eraser, and so does the But the Minimal, the little toothpick sized pencil, does not have an eraser. And last up is the full size Pilot S20. Pilot S20 full size drafting pencil. And with this concave grip section, and it's a fairly lightweight pencil compared to most drafting pencils that have a brass construction. This is quite a bit more comfortable. Let's see. What did I say this was? S20. And this, the product description said it came with B-grade lead, so it's a little darker, a little bit smoother. So that's my writing sample for these. They go in order from least comfortable to most comfortable and smallest to largest. But that doesn't necessarily mean worst to best. Depending on your needs, something tiny like this might fit the bill perfectly. And once you kind of play with it a little bit and find an appropriate grip, it's actually not that bad. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, and if you would like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel.